All right, we got a wine review. This is gonna be a good one. Watch until the end. Click that like button and do a handstand and also a barrel roll. Ew. There's something wrong with my olives. We got Spring Creek Merlot. I've heard that this is the best wine money can buy. It says California. Yes, I managed to get my hands on the legendary, the prestigious, the one and only Spring Creek Merlot. I searched about $100 generals and I finally found one. The Spring Creek Merlot. At Spring Creek, we seek to honor the rich heritage of California winemaking. The grapes used to make our wines are carefully selected for their quality and authentic varietal character. This Merlot leads with flavors of black cherry and mixed berries, which are complemented by spicy aromas. The result is a balanced and distinctive wine. We invite you to enjoy this outstanding wine paired with your favorite salads, pasta, or grilled meats. Wine and bottled by International Wine Merchants Limited, Modesto, California. Contains sulfates. Can anyone guess how much the best wine in the USA cost? Spring Creek Merlot. $100? $90? Maybe $69? Maybe $39? No. I managed to get the Spring Creek Merlot for $4.25. Join me as we taste test the best wine in the country from Dollar General.